Welcome back to another Solidworks tutorial. Here we have project assignment number 7. So you want to start on your top plane. Make sure you hit normal to this direction where it says top plane at the top. Hit sketch. Make sure you've got the plane selected. So you'll draw a corner rectangle from there out. And you want to find the midpoint and do a for construction line. So find the midpoint across. And we'll have another for construction line right here. It's going kind of in that direction. And then a couple more for construction lines. There's one over here and one. Actually, it doesn't want to. We shouldn't start it there. We need it across. So can I just draw it across and we'll make a relation here to put them together. So we need to set our relations now. So add a relation to that, and this will be perpendicular. This line and this line, the diagonals will be parallel. And then we'll draw this line over here. The snaps. Draw this line over here. We're actually trying to snap that one to. Oh, it's already drawn. So we'll add a relation this point to this guy. So like that, and make sure the two of these lines, or these two lines, will be parallel, and it should snap everything. So we need to set our angle right here to 30 degrees. And we know the distance of the corner to, so the corner of the part to this line right here is 2.5. Because what we'll be doing here is placing a circle right here and an arc right here. Then we'll set a dimension right here of 1.5. Yes, I see that it's completely destroyed, but that'll get fixed in a moment. We need to make sure that those points are merged. Okay, that kind of fixed it a little bit better. See, our distance from this edge is supposed to be 3. Okay, let's just set our circle real quick. What was this supposed to be? 1.25. So at this point, we will use trim entities to eliminate this this line that's for the rectangle, and that allows us to set this dimension now wherever we want. So that dimension is actually 2.75. So 2.75, and we know that this line should be parallel to that one, and everything looks constrained at this point. We have a couple of fillets that are 0.25 for here, and just hit continue, and here, hit continue again, hit the check, and I believe that's all there is to this part, this sketch. So hit the check, and there's your sketch. This is 0.75 thick, so go ahead and go to extruded boss base, and 0.75. and we'll just do blind, because there's going to be a lot of things that are based off of the part, and I'd rather not confuse a surface plane with a top plane, something like that. So we'll hit the check, and there's our part. Just hit normal to, and it looks pretty similar to the sketch. So the next step is we need there's a slight step profile. So we're going to be coming from this face, hit normal to, and hit sketch. So we're going to come over here and I'm going to draw this trapezoid shape right here, like so. Let's see, we know the angle of this to here. Come on, this to here is 75 degrees. We know the distance from the edge of the trapezoid to the edge of the corner is 1.5. So that point to that point should be 1.5. We know the height of this. So if we looked at the original sketch, the total height of the part is 2.25. We know the thickness of the top part of the bracket is 0.75 thick. So you just subtract the two. You don't even have to do subtract the two, kind of thing. You just come over here, and right here you've got your height, and you can literally just say 2.25 minus 0.75 and hit enter. And there's your height. That's assuming, some math is simple, but if you have like complex decimals, that's an easy way to do it. And then we know the width of this should be 0.75. And now it is fully constrained. And we'll hit the check. Now we've got ourselves a sketch. The trick now is to get it to extrude. And we'll go to, no, not to next. See if we can get it to go to this side. Okay, so up to surface, and you just go to the other side, and just hit the check. So there's your step from your sketch, and the next step is to draw the top part of the bracket. So you're going to come from that surface, hit normal to, and do a sketch on that surface. And here's a quick trick to reproduce these lines. You can go here, convert entities, and each of these lines that you hit convert entities, you'll get a quick and easy sketched line. So you just convert all these to entities right here, and there's your part. Actually, the line is in the wrong spot. We need that line. And we just need those points to extend down there. And that's it. And then hit the check. There's your sketch. And you go to extruded boss base. We said our height was 0.75, but not in that direction. It's downwards. So that now it's going to be incorporated into the part. Just go ahead and hit the check. There's your part with your holes and everything. And last but not least, there is this slot over here on the side. So we'll just go to that surface and hit normal 2 and get a sketch started. We'll use straight slot and just kind of draw a line and just kind of sketch it. And then you'll use the dimensions that are given to you. So we know that the distance from the edge is 0.5. So from the center to the, from the center to the edge is 0.5. And then the width of it is 1.5. And the height of it is 0.5. And what are we missing? The start of the first point to the edge of this side should be 0.75. And there, hit escape. Everything's fully constrained. We'll hit the check. There's your sketch for your slot. Go ahead and do extruded cut. And we'll go up to next and hit the check. And there's your slot. So there's your part. Our material is cast carbon steel. So hit material, edit, right click and edit material, and scroll down where you find cast carbon steel. Hit apply and close. Now we have cast carbon steel as our material, and we can go and find the mass and volume of the part. So go up to evaluate and click on mass properties. So once you've clicked on mass properties, you'll see that the mass is 4.97 pounds and the volume is 17.65 cubic inches. And that's all there is for this assignment. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content.